We'll start. To all those participants who have joined in, welcome to Talk Your Heart Out. Um, Talk Your Heart Out is a cancer support group by onco.com, and it is started with an intention to create a community for all those people whose lives have been touched by cancer in any which way. And अरे किधर गए अंजलि जी?
नो स्विच ऑफ किया मैंने, दरवाजा बंद किया.
हाँ
I close the door.
ठीक है. It's a place, it's a space for everybody who has been going through the journey of cancer, and it is by onco.com. To speak about onco.com, I would like to invite Rashi to say something, and then we can tell a little bit about what is Talk Your Heart Out.
Hi everyone, thanks Harish. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining Talk Your Heart Out session today. I'm one of the founders of Onco, and Onco is basically a digital platform for cancer patients and their families. If anyone is going through their treatment journey, they can reach out to Onco and get personalized treatment advice from oncologists to help them plan their treatment better. We built Onco 3 years ago, and as we started speaking with more patients and their family members, what we realized was that every person who was going through this dreadful disease needed a support network for practical advice, for emotional support. And that led us to start this initiative called Talk Your Heart Out last year. We actually completed 1 year anniversary of Talk Your Heart Out a few weeks ago. And Talk Your Heart Out, as Harish mentioned, is a safe place for anyone who has been influenced by cancer to come and connect with folks and basically seek support and give support and share their experiences. And over to you, Harish, to take it from here. Thanks so much for joining, guys.
Okay. So like Rashi was mentioning, we just finished 1 year of Talk Your Heart Out and 20 amazing gatherings of cancer support group around the India. And from past one Talk Your Heart Out, we have been inviting guests from all around the globe, and that itself says a lot about the requirement of such a service to be there. And yeah, I'm so overwhelmed to welcome you, Anjali, to 21st Talk Your Heart Out session and our second online session. Welcome. Do you want to say something about yourself? I mean, there are a lot of people who don't know about you. Do you want to start off with a very small, informal sort of introduction about who you are and a little bit of your journey?
Hello, namaste to everyone, and happy Mother's Day to all my kids. I'm wishing everyone. I'm Anjali Kadoya, 58 years old. I'm a cancer survivor. I have detected my cancer in 2015. It was a breast cancer. I have completed my chemo and my operation, and 3 types of operation I had, and completed everything in 2016. Now I'm fine, 5 years cancer free, enjoying my each moment and enjoying my life, doing all activities and enjoying with my kids and my families. I'm a grandmother also.
Great. So that's Anjali for you. She's been a warrior, and in no time we will get to know a little bit more about Anjali in detail. So Anjali, you just told us your story. I'm a little bit intrigued. So tell us about your journey. Like, when did you first find out? How was your journey? What was going through your head, and what happened after the story?
Actually, I was very talented, bindas girl, doing bike. I was a biker, teacher, and many things, and all activities has to do. All of a sudden, there was some lumps on my breast, and I feel some giddiness. I went to my doctor. Doctor says, maybe she was having something. We'll go for the checkup. 2015. My son was abroad. I didn't say anything to him. Doctor said, don't tell him anything. We'll see what is going on. We have done the biopsy and all. The report was positive. So we were very shocked. And by the grace of God, everything went very smoothly. I operated, my breast removed. That was in somewhere. I have many doctors, different doctors, because this thing was new for me. What is oncologist? Who is a surgeon? Not knowing anything. We used to rush here and there, and somebody said, this doctor, acha, ye doctor. At last I found good doctor, operated. And then said there won't be chemo, because she is very positive. It may be fibroid. So after 20 days, we got the report. Doctor said chemo karna padega. And I got shocked because I have seen the cancer patient without hair and all. I said, I'm going to commit suicide. I don't want to live because I'm so beautiful. What do people will say? People will say, "San daru piya hoga, cigarette piya hoga." Same thing is to come on mind. I used to think, jo daru pita usko hi cancer hota hai. Why me? Then some doctor mujhe counseling kiya. Said, no, Anjali, nothing like that. You have to go for the operation. You have to do this, that, and all. Then I started my chemo. Chemo was very enjoyable. Painful to tha, but I used to enjoy my chemo with doing all fashions and doing party with chemo time. Khana khate rehti thi, yahan chemo chalu hota tha with my friends. And that period was very bad for me, as my mother-in-law was 95, she was bedridden, and I was suffering from cancer. Chemo ke time, doctor used to come and she used to poke me. I said, doctor, मैं कैंसर से नहीं मरना चाहती हूँ, मैं कैंसर से नहीं मरना चाहती, प्लीज मुझे बचा लेना. डॉक्टर से, अरे तू नहीं मरेगी. आई सेड नहीं, बट आई डोंट वांट टू डाई विद कैंसर. और कोई बीमारी में चलेगा मुझे. एंड शी पोक मी, देन शी सेड नेक्स्ट 21 दिन के बाद तू आना. एंड देन पार्टी स्टार्ट्स. रोटी खाओ, भाजी खाओ, ये खाओ. आई वाज ऑलवेज लुक एट माय लिपस्टिक है कि नहीं मेरे, लिपस्टिक है कि नहीं मेरे, मेकअप है कि नहीं. द पेन वाज वैनिश्ड. एंड व्हेन इज टू कम होम, माय मदर-इन-लॉ से, कैसा था बेटा? आई सो डांस. बहुत अच्छा था मम्मा, कुछ नहीं हुआ मुझे. सो आई हैव टू बी पॉजिटिव. वो हो चुका, एवरीथिंग डन. 12 कीमो हो गया, बाल चले गए. आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग ऑल मेकअप्स एंड ऑल. एंड आई सेड वन थिंग टू माय पीपल, प्लीज नो सिंपैथी. अंजलि को मिलना आना, दया खा के मत आना. सो दे यूज्ड टू गेट स्कैर्ड एंड केम. आते थे तो मैं मास्क पहन के बैठती थी. एंड आई यूज्ड टू डू फन विद देम. तो दे वर शॉक्ड, इसको तो थोड़ी कैंसर है, ये तो मस्ती कर रही है, इसको तो कुछ भी नहीं है. And slowly that time goes, everything. फिर मुझे एक ग्रुप मिला डांस का ऑनलाइन में. I said I will join this, I will do this. That time I had a quote, quote को हिलना नहीं चाहिए, ध्यान रखना चाहिए. That was very strictly मुझे डॉक्टर ने कहा था. I went for the Sunburn Festival to Goa with my son, with the quote, without telling my doctor. उधर भी मैं थर्ड प्राइज लेके आई हूँ. थोड़ा डांस वांस किया. Then I say I will not go diving and all. Because कोर्ट में गो उल्टा तो मामा कुछ हो जाएगा. My son took me just for the entertainment. And बाद में मैंने डॉक्टर का, डॉक्टर, I want to do dancing and all, please remove my port. और सर्जरी भी हो गया. My report was normal. After that I am a very positive lady और enjoying my life like anything. कोई मुझे कहता है कि कैंसर, अरे छोड़ यार, मुझे थोड़ी कैंसर हुआ था. कैंसर को मैंने मार के भगा दिया.
लगा फोन में गेम, बैटरी फुल लो है.
Just a second.
So everything done. Now very happily I'm living. I know everybody gets shocked, but I am telling the people, don't take any tension. ये एक बीमारी है, आके चली जाएगी. But you have to take it positive and don't go for the rumors. People go for the rumors.
Yeah, continue. People
go for tells rumors. अरे ऐसा हो जाएगा, मर जाएगी, ऐसा होगा. Don't talk with those people, those negative people. Who keep the good friends, who guide you, who always help you, and the person should be negative में से भाग जाओ तो. And keep good things. And what is your passion? Go for it. After that, I live for myself. I'm doing everything, enjoying my life, and I guide the people, motivate the people. पता चलता है किसको कैंसर हुआ, I always go to him or her और बताती हूँ मैं, ऐसा करना, ये खाना, nutrition, food is very important. खाना पीना ध्यान रखना है. Do your exercise and talk the positive things and be a good friend के साथ रहना. Once you know the person is not going to leave, कितना भी दोस्त छोड़ दो उसको, तुम आगे बढ़ो. This is the second chance you got it, so enjoy your life. And past में जो हो गया उसको भूल जाओ. Forget that things. That was a dream, खत्म हो गया. Now fulfill your dream. Live for yourself. but fulfill your duties also. Family का ड्यूटी छोड़ के तुम enjoy मत करो. I always tell, पहला घर का ड्यूटी करो, then go for the enjoyment, dance, party, जो भी करना है. So this is a way, and very positive I took it, and my family support was very big, friends and family. Or after cancer, I cut many friends, for my life. The negative people, चले जाओ मेरे जिंदगी से. I don't want you. I want only positive people. My house, if anybody comes talks negative, please go from here. मुझे दुनिया की नहीं पड़ी है. I want my family, and I want my people. My people means my surviving people and my patients. Once my doctor asked me, who's your family? You always say you're fighting for your family. Your families are affected with cancer. I said no. Cancer survivors and cancer patients and cancer warriors are my family. This way my journey gone very smoothly, thanks to my doctors, my friends, and my people, my relatives and all. So very positive way, I enjoy my journey. When I look back, मैं सोचती हूँ उस टाइम पे मुझे बहुत पिक्स निकाले थे, वो टकले के फोटो एंड ऑल. I didn't remove that. I used to hide that. But now I think वो करना चाहिए था. That thing is gone. I was looking like a model. बोल सकती मैंने मॉडलिंग किया है, मेरे बाल चले गए तो मैंने शेव किया है. That time this didn't come on my mind, even in the depression, बाल चला गया, ये चला गया. Now everything is okay. I tell all my patients, be positive. And don't think about the samaj, what the people say. Forget the people. What is your family? Go with your family, what they say. People will not pay you fund for the cancer. They will talk and they will go. And they will put all negative things in your mind. Be positive and enjoy your journey very smoothly. Everything will be fine for the cancer survivors or people, I'm telling you. Even survivors, they have to take care of them after that. When you are coming out from diseases, you have to take care of yourself.
Okay. So you were speaking about family. What role or how did the family react to the news? And I'm merging my question with one of the questions I got. So how did your family react to the news? And what role did your family play in keeping your spirits high? Like any advice you have for the caregivers, the way I have met your husband, I know it's an amazing support structure you have there. But I want you to tell what advices would you like to give to our caregivers? And how was their initial reaction when they first got to know?
Yeah. When my doctor says it may be cancer, my husband was with me. So he said, oh no, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. I said, Mahesh, ऐसे ही हुआ है. My husband's name is Mahesh. ऐसे ही हुआ है, Mahesh. So my tears came out. Oh my God, cancer. Then doctor said, रो के कुछ फायदा नहीं है, इसमें से बाहर निकलो. Then he said, come, don't worry. I'll take you big doctors. I'll do everything for you. Don't worry about money. I'm there with you. I said, let me talk with my daughter. She's married. Then she said, Mama, बड़े से बड़े डॉक्टर के मैं ले जाऊंगी तो रो मत. Please don't cry. They are there with you. My son-in-law, my daughter. My son was abroad. So we didn't intimate him anything. Later on, we said everything when my chemo and everything was supposed to start. फिर घर पे आके, I didn't say to my mother-in-law because she was 90. She was very good in sense. She said, we are going out every day. I said, I'm going to meet my doctor. I'm going to meet my friend. He didn't tell her anything that I'm suffering from cancer. The night I went to sleep, I told my husband, मैं मर जाऊंगी ना, मुझे कैंसर हो गया ना. He said, पागल है, तुझे फाइब्रॉइड हुआ, तुझे कोई कैंसर वैंसर नहीं हुआ. And I am there with you ना, हम लोग साथ में जिएंगे, साथ में मरेंगे. Because ours is love marriage, At the age of 18, I got married with him, run away from his house. So he said, अरे हम लोग साथ में जिएंगे. उसका डायलॉग चालू हो गया, फिल्मी डायलॉग. I said, I don't want any dialogues. I'm much worried about my diseases, what to do. Then he said, I'm there, don't worry, I will do everything for you. Money-wise, won't be panic. We have everything. God is giving everything. Then he took me to doctor. Operation karwa diya. I used to come home. Khana, pilana. Even he used to massage my hair. पाँव में massage करना, खाना खिलाना, कपड़े पहनाना. मैंने बोलती हूँ ना, जितना साल उसने मुझे शादी के बाद प्यार नहीं किया ना, that love I got it when I got that cancer. ऐसे मुझे कभी तुमने बहू जैसा रखा था. Now you are keeping like, आपका शरीर मेरे इसमें है करके. And everywhere, अरे ये खा, वो खा, ऐसा कर, वैसा कर. And I want to eat सीताफल. So he used to get 1 dozen सीताफल. खा बैठ के. How much you want? Whatever you like, you tell. और मेरा बेटा आ गया यहाँ पे. Then I told he was shocked. Everywhere he used to sit. Operation के time से लेके 2-3 घंटा he used to sit on the staircase. My daughter, she had a small kid, so say, Mama, I said, beta, you don't come. बच्चों को infection लग जाएगा. And one of my friend, Sujata Kanchan, South Indian, she's from Bangalore. She is मेरे बचपन की उसका बच्चा और my kid used to play together in one building. So she used to come for the chemo with me. She used to put me clothes. These all people help me very nicely. मेरे बच्चे, मेरा husband, every now, कैसी अंजलि, what you want, tablets से लेके खाना देना, even potty में लेके जाना. But I was very independent. मुझे कुछ नहीं, अपने आप करूँगी. But they have supported me a lot. Because of their support, today I am like this, very happily. उसके बाद when my hair started going, I told my mother-in-law, Mama, I got cancer. See, tears came out. She said, I am bedridden. You are also like this. भगवान ने हमारे साथ क्या किया? मैंने बोला, मम्मा कुछ भी नहीं किया. Don't worry, मैं ठीक हो जाऊँगी. I will become all right. Don't worry. And भगवान की दया से we have everything and we are going. Good doctors we got and everybody's positive. बच्चे, पति, बेटी, all used to hug me, love me. कि मम्मा जो बोलो. But we don't want to miss you. We will do whatever. Thank God I got good doctors. Everything, family, friends, उसकी वजह से they all were good supporters to me. But they were also shocked in the beginning. कि हमारे family इसको ही क्यों होगा? Why Anjali? Because I was a fighter. Yes,
that question always comes. Okay, why me? So to follow up with you there. You say stay positive and fight through it. It's a second chance. But, while you're going through it, you find it really hard because cancer comes with another mental health illness wherein you are hit by depression. Some people get anxiety. So, how did you manage to stay positive? Like, yes, you did say your family supported you and they were an immense support structure to you. But that internally, how did you push yourself or how did you reach to the staying positive attitude during the treatment and post that right now?
Yeah. When I detected with cancer, पहला question था मुझे क्यों? And I was a lady, एकदम fight करती हूँ किस सच्चाई के लिए. I fight for the truth, whoever it may be. रास्ते में भी झगड़ा होगा ना, I go there. I was very bold lady. किसी से डरना नहीं कुछ. तो मेरे मन में एक ही चीज आया. अगर मैं हार जाती हूँ, if I am a loser, people will laugh at me. And I know two of my friends, हमारे बाइकर की फ्रेंड ने मुझे क्या कहा, अच्छा हो गया उसको कैंसर हो गया, अभी उसके पास क्या रहा, जिंदगी खत्म हो गई. That word came to my mind. I say मैं इसको चैलेंज कर दिया, उसको बताती हूँ कैंसर के बाद मैं जी सकती. और एक ही चीज था मुझे कैंसर से बाहर निकलना और मुझे कोई तकलीफ नहीं होती थी. Enjoying and अपना ट्रीटमेंट कर रही हूँ. Only the poking when they are giving the chemo, एक पेन सा होता था. After that nothing. And I have the immunity. खाने पीने में ध्यान रखती थी, बहुत पॉजिटिव. किसी ने मुझे चैलेंज किया है, I want to show that. Now also somebody challenge me ना, जो मैं नहीं कर सकती ना, वो भी मैं करती हूँ. और वो पॉजिटिव वे से. Today also I find the persons who looked at me, चलती है रुबाब से, हीरोइन बन गई है, चलती है, I give a bad look और मैं छाती तान के चलती हूँ. Come on, I'm ready. पॉजिटिव हूँ मैं किसी से नहीं डरती हूँ. And you challenge me और मैंने किया. और मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी बोलते तुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. My parents से, my in-laws से, my husband से कुछ नहीं होगा. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा मुझे कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Because मेरा नॉर्मल रिपोर्ट आता था. After chemo में रिपोर्ट was not. Sometime hemoglobin नीचे आता था. But WBC and everything was. डॉक्टर भी बोलते बहुत अच्छा रिपोर्ट आ रहा है. Don't worry, you'll be fine. कुछ होगा नहीं. और मैंने ऐसा कुछ स्टार्टिंग में I thought it is very difficult. एक कीमो होने के बाद और एक बार बाल चले गए तो फिर तो एकदम प्रैक्टिकल हो गई. अरे काय के लिए डरना है, हेयर तो वापस आएंगे ना. Why to get scared? और मुझे कोई डिप्रेशन नहीं, कुछ नहीं. खाती पीती मजा करती थी मैं टाइम टू टाइम. और यू बिलीव जिस दिन मैं कीमो लेके आती थी रात को 3 पिक्चर देखती थी कंटिन्यू कंप्यूटर पे.
मूवी मैराथन.
Yeah, full marathon. My husband used to come and tell me, चल सो जा. I said, please don't disturb me. And what picture I see? Mashan picture पता है? Documentary film. ऐसे पिक्चर्स देखती थी मैं, जो रियल स्टोरी होता है वैसा. आई ऑल्सो एंजॉय इट। फिर देखती थी मेकअप कैसा करना है, ये करना, तो डॉक्टर से यूट्यूब मत देखो तुम पागल हो जाएगा। नहीं नहीं, मैं बोली यूट्यूब देख के मैं जी रही हूँ। गुड मूवीज आर देयर, वेरी पॉजिटिव मूवीज, अब मुझे सीखने को मिल रहा है, रियल स्टोरीज। एंड चला, कोई तकलीफ नहीं थी मुझे। सेकंड कीमो भी क्या नॉर्मल, थर्ड, एंड आई गॉट स्कैर्ड व्हेन माय कीमो वाज ओवर। माय डॉक्टर सेड नाउ यू हैव टू गो फॉर द रेडिएशन। आई वाज शॉक्ड, ओ माय गॉड, पहला आपने बोला रेडिएशन नहीं होगा, रेडिएशन होगा। आई वेंट टू नानावटी विथ माय स्टाइलिस्ट, वो एंड नखरे वखरे करके मैं बैठी थी बाहर लाइक अ वीआईपी लेडी। मुझे कुछ डर तो नहीं है, रेडिएशन भी देखती क्या होता है। तो सडनली द रेडिएशन वाला डॉक्टर बाहर आए, ही केम आउट एंड ही से हाय। तो मैंने भी बोला हाय, मुझे पता नहीं कौन है। माय हस्बैंड सेज इतना लोग बैठा है, उसने किसको हाय नहीं किया, तुझे क्यों हाय किया? आई से आई डोंट नो। सो आई वेंट इनसाइड, डॉक्टर नागराज, वेरी गुड डॉक्टर। आई वेंट इनसाइड, तभी मेरी फट रही थी, अभी मुझे वो वेल्डिंग जैसा करेगा, समथिंग इज गोइंग टू डू, लाइक यू नो, अंदर एंट्री मारते। ही सेड नो अंजलि, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, डोंट वरी, यू आर फाइन, यू कैन गो। तो मैंने डॉक्टर को पूछा, आपने मुझे स्माइल दिया ना डॉक्टर, बिकॉज आई लाइक स्माइलिंग द पीपल। तो से यू आर लुकिंग प्रिटी, ही सेड, विद अ गॉगल एंड विद अ वो, विद अ, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो आते हैं ना सब टेढ़ा मेढ़ा होके आते हैं, थका मांदा, पहले नेगेटिव, यू नो, टेंशन वाले सब, और एकदम यू वर लुकिंग सो फ्रेश, लगी नहीं थी तू पेशेंट है। एंड से डॉक्टर, और ना खुशी के मारे मेरे टीयर्स बाहर आ गए। एक्चुअली एटलीस्ट मैं इसमें से तो बच गई, रेडिएशन से। दिस वाज माय जर्नी, हैप्पीली, यू नो, पॉजिटिव।
Okay, Anjali ji, there have been a positive response about you. Like messages आ रहे हैं बहुत सारे आपको, लोग चाहते हैं कि वो आपसे डायरेक्टली बात करें. But I just want to tell you, all participants who have joined in, we will have one-on-one with Anjali for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then we will open the floor. This 10 to 15 minutes is also for all those people who don't know Anjali, to get to know her story in depth. So, Anjali ji, let's say, aapko, if you are connected with a patient who just found out that they have breast cancer, or they are newly diagnosed and they don't know anything about it, what would be your suggested actions, you know, or how to take care of themselves? What would be your guidance to them? Because you have clearly overcome it, and you have such a winner's attitude and stay positive. There's your second life, such amazing outlook towards cancer. What would be your suggestion to all those people?
Yeah, I am going to meet all the patients. जब मुझे पता चलता है, I go and meet them. First reaction है, पहला मैं स्माइल देती हूँ, हग करती हूँ, because they want a hug, you know. उनको ऐसा लगता है कैंसर कोई छूता नहीं है, ऐसा गंदी बीमारी। I say, love you बेटा, come on, hug you. This is my experience before going for the beauty pageant. The boy whom I met 1 month before, तो मुझे किसी ने कहा, आंटी आप उधर आओगे, उनको जरा मोटिवेट करेगी, उनको डॉक्टर्स नहीं मिल रहे। I say, okay. I went and met him. He was a young boy, 20, he's no more, 28 years old. अरे मैडम, I said, don't call me madam, अंजलि बोलो मुझे. And I told him, आपका कैसा चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है? He told me all the stories, डॉक्टर्स नहीं मिल रहे, ये नहीं मिल रहे. मैंने बोला पहले आप पॉजिटिव रहो, खाने पीने में ध्यान रखो, टेंशन भूल जाओ, आप ठीक हो जाओगे. And you are going to join with my group, I said, because you are the male person, only one. बाकी फीमेल बहुत है मेरे साथ, मेल कोई नहीं था. So you will be leading with me in the dance floor. मैं मजाक में बोल रही हूँ उसको. Then he said, मुझे डॉक्टर नहीं मिल रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है वैसा. I said, don't worry, मेरा एनजीओ का है और मेरे पास डॉक्टर्स भी है, मैं आपको फोन नंबर सब फॉरवर्ड करती हूँ. I'll speak to my doctor and forward. Okay? मैंने सब कुछ किया, उनको हैप्पीनेस, थोड़ा दोनों जन ने चाय पानी पिए. They are staying in slum areas. मुझे स्लम लम का कुछ है नहीं. पेशेंट मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. We had half a cup of tea. Yeah, and I told I will coming and touching with you 2 days, क्योंकि मेरा अभी 15 दिन में जाने का हो जाएगा, so I won't be contact with you. मेरा भी सब ब्यूटी पेजेंट की तैयारी चल रही है. He went to doctor. जो डॉक्टर मैंने दिया, उसने उनको कांटेक्ट नहीं किया. उनका गांव का स्टोरी में बोलते हैं ना, गाँवठी दवा करो, this and all. So I tell my patient, whoever I met, don't worry, these are the doctors. You go consult with them. If you feel satisfied, then you continue with the chemo. Same thing I have done. I have consulted 50,000 मैंने consultation का दिया. Then I thought ये डॉक्टर अच्छा है, so I go to that doctor and I go through the experience and all. कितना aged है doctors, young doctors they for the money. Sorry to say that, मेरे साथ bad experience हुआ है. So I got the doctor. Same way I tell the patients, please go through this. आपको लगे ये डॉक्टर अच्छा है, and I am giving a experience also. इनका patient ऐसा अच्छा होता है. So they become very happy, and the way I talk with them, उनको खुशी मिलती है. And they keep on contacting. इससे मैंने बात किया, इससे बात किया, अंजलि जी इससे बात किया. मैं बोली जो आपको अच्छा लगे उनसे कर लो, मैं मिलने आ जाऊंगी. और मेरा एक अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या हो गया था, मैंने बीच में उनके साथ जरा कन्वर्सेशन बंद हो गया था. एंड द नेक्स्ट डे वाज माय फ्लाइट, और एक दिन पहले वो एक्सपायर्ड हो गया. फेसबुक खोला तो लिखा श्रद्धांजलि. आई वाज शॉक्ड. देन मैंने बोला ब्यूटी पेजेंट में कैंसिल कर दी, मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं है, बिकॉज आई मेट दिस बॉय, ही इज सो यंग, एक्टिव बॉय एकदम. Then my patient का जो head है उन्होंने कहा नहीं, don't worry, life is like that, you have to go, move on. I always tell them, find doctor. मैं गाइड करती हूँ उनको, ये डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, ये एक्सरसाइज करो, खाने में ध्यान रखो. तो 50% पॉजिटिव दे बिके. फंड का I tell, don't worry, you have a mediclaim. नहीं तो हमारा ऐसा ग्रुप बन जाता है, तो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके थोड़ा थोड़ा करके घड़ा भरता है ना. एक आदमी एक साथ नहीं दे सकता है. Now you pay 5,000, I pay 5,000. अपना जो ग्रुप होता है, so we can encourage them. Encourage होके उनका आधा बीमारी तो चली जाती है. Fund is the main thing, Fund नहीं होता ना, आधा बीमारी ऐसे खत्म हो जाती है. So what I suggest, if we have a group, suppose कुछ को फंड का प्रॉब्लम है, तो we can share. अपने आप से हम लोग कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं. क्योंकि if you go for the NGO will not help you out. All NGOs will not help you out. I am also working with the NGO, but they will only working for the slum people. और उनको मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट्स भी चाहिए, और सॉरी सैलरी सर्टिफिकेट ईयरली. एंड सेकंड थिंग, यू शुड गो टू गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल, नॉट प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल. और हम लोग पहले क्या करते हैं, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में जाते हैं, बिकॉज स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट वी गेट. सो आई मोटिवेट दिस पीपल. पहला मोटिवेशन का बहुत वीडियोस बना के डालती थी मैं. व्हेन सुशांत एक्सपायर्ड तो मैं बहुत टूट चुकी थी, तो मैंने बनाना बंद कर दिया, बिकॉज मेरा लास्ट होप सुशांत के ऊपर था, जो द बॉय हु एक्सपायर्ड मंथ ऑफ नवंबर. उसके बाद मैं बहुत टूट चुकी थी. मैंने सोचा जिससे मैं मिली हूँ उसको मैं ग्रुप बनाना चाहती थी, और वो लड़का छोड़ के चला गया. Why like that? Because he keep on changing the doctors. So stick into one doctor. ऐसा नहीं कि एक कीमो इधर लिया या दूसरा कीमो गया. Don't do that. People will say many things. Use your brain and use your mind. कहाँ आपको satisfaction मिलता है, and which is a good doctor.
Got it. So I'll just summarize what you just said, because a couple of participants here won't understand Hindi. So what Anjali ji was saying was to get your comfortable doctor and stick to that doctor, right? That would be one of the major suggestions. And then, of course, you did speak about diet, taking care of yourself, family support structure, all of that is a given. Okay. So I will go to the next question. But this question comes from one of the participants who has joined in. Now I will ask a couple of that questions also. Many families refrain from coming out and speaking about their cancer diagnosis and feel it is a taboo, right? So do you feel it is important for people to speak about it, to break the stigma which is around cancer, which is associated with cancer? Do you feel it's necessary to talk about it?
Yeah, it is necessary, because you are sharing your experience to others. They will learn something, because I was not a cancer patient. It was new for me. So when you are giving positive, all the replies and everything, मैं बोलती हूँ 24% उनका तो बीमारी चली जाती है. You have to share what you have gone through this journey. Otherwise, how people will come to know? I was totally zero. मेरा तो कोई था ही नहीं जर्नी में. I was not connected to anyone. It is very necessary, very important to share your journey with the people. Let others learn something. Motivation मिलता है. It is not for advertisement. It is not advertisement I'm doing myself. I'm helping the people. People doesn't know all stories. What is chemo? What is radiation? What is this? How to cope up with the cancer? We are not making money. We are just motivating the people to come out from this or learn something. तो बोल सकते हैं, अरे अंजलि जी है, उनसे पूछो. देखो डॉक्टर, अभी मेरे पास बहुत सारे फोन आते हैं, मुझे एक डॉक्टर की जरूरत है. मैं बोली मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ, आप उससे बात करो. सो दे आर खुश हो जाते. फंड का है, यहाँ बात करो, देखो होता है कि नहीं. बस यू ट्राई योरसेल्फ. But I advise all people अपना mediclaim खोल के रखें, because fund is very important. We won't get whole fund. अपना 10 लाख 15 लाख का कोई अपने को देता नहीं है. You are getting only 25% or 30%, जो भी है. Rest of the thing आपको निकालना पड़ता है. ये बीमारी, it is a small thing. बीमारी बहुत बड़ी issue नहीं है. Cancer is not a big बीमारी. It's a small, like a fever. But how you take up, you know, आप कैसे लेते हो उसको?
So it is important to speak about it so that, you know, the positivity itself will cure the 25% of disease, and other people supporting you, pushing you will make a big difference. Okay. So I have a question, because I always want to highlight this hero of mine. I met that person and I fell in love with that person. So please tell us something about the journey of Mahesh in Anjali's survivor story, because the moment I met him, I just knew he's so awesome. So from his perspective, that is Mahesh is Anjali's husband. From your husband's perspective, how was his entire journey? Even though you told he took care of you, but still, his perspective.
But right now, right? Present.
Present, during the journey.
Yeah.
All of it.
Yeah, he is too loving person and very mastiko like me. But he doesn't know to dance. मैं तो अच्छी dancer हूँ, but he said I don't want to dance. I don't want to do any dramas like you. You do everything whatever you like. I'll pay for your money. You enjoy your life. He only want to do business, that's all, making money. Yeah, money is very important. He say मैं एक पैसा saving करता हूँ और तू पूरा पैसा उड़ाती है हमारी activities. मैंने बोला ठीक है, but I'm getting happiness. Yeah, he's very happy and he's very loving person. And मुझे जो जिंदगी में सहारा उन्होंने दिया ना, I don't have parents. You have gone through my story. I don't want to repeat all the stories. Orphanage में बड़ी हुई हूँ मैं, and the person I met, उनका हाथ पकड़ी हूँ, अभी तक पकड़ के मैं आगे बढ़ रही हूँ. Or I want to live with him till 90 years, you know. Loving person, businessman, loving person, and very, very attached to the family people. और मेरा कोई आता है ना, so he greet like anything. ये अंजलि का आया, yes, because मेरी wife की friends हैं, मेरी wife के circle से, and whenever I go for my programs and cultural programs, he's always there with the cameras to click my videos and all, you know. Dance का है, जो भी है. So everybody admired him, like, you know. Even I love him so much here.
Okay, so there is a question by one of the participants. They say, do you have any hobby or profession? What is your upcoming dream? Like, this would be a right space to share about what all are you doing right now. Yesterday, what released? This would be an ideal space to share all of that.
Yeah. See, I was a good dancer when I was 3 years or 4 years old. Young Rabindranath Tagore Bengali dance I used to do. I studied my education from Calcutta. Then we came back to Mumbai when I was 9th and 10th standard. After that, my journey was very bad. I don't want to discuss that journey. I met my husband. फिर घर की बहू बन गई थी. Activity सब बंद हो गया था. After cancer, I want to tell all my people. See, cancer taught me many things. I got very achievement in cancer. I started doing dancing. मेरा सबसे पहला डांस आप देखोगे 2016 का, with the port I'm doing lungi dance without taking permission from doctor. परसों ही मैंने डाला है Facebook पे, memories डाला है. And I didn't say to my doctor with the port I'm jump मारे करके. And I joined folk dance. I'm a folk dancer. My choreographer is Shamli Shah. Salute to her. She taught me from last 4 years. मुझे dance सिखा रही है. Second, I have right now I'm doing my belly dance. I'm in the 5th level. Third thing, I have done, people will shock, pole dance. क्योंकि मुझे सीखना था pole dance क्या होता है. I want to know. Pole dance थोड़ा किया, थोड़ा चढ़ना वढ़ना सब किया. Now I stop that. वो satisfy हो गई मैं. Right now I'm doing aerial. I started doing aerial. I'm enjoying with aerial. And I'm doing my drama, Hindi drama, जो मेरी release हुई थी. बाप रे बापूजी, 4 शो हो चुका है. एरिसो थिएटर से जुड़ी हुई हूँ मैं, एंड नंदिनी ठाकर इज माय ग्रेट डायरेक्टर, शी सपोर्टेड मी लॉट। और अभी हमने एक फिल्म बनाई थी लॉकडाउन में, अनुभूति, कल रिलीज हुई है, उसमें मैं मदर इन लॉ बनी हुई हूँ। एंड मेरी एक कोरोना वायरस की 2 फिल्म निकली है, इट्स अ शॉर्ट फिल्म, इट इज कमिंग जी मराठी, मराठी में बनी दादी बनी हूँ मैं, एंड हिंदी में डीडी मेट्रो पे आती है, इट इज वो कोरोना। अभी आगे मुझे इंटेंशन है, मुझे डाइविंग का बहुत शौक, अपने पानी का डाइविंग आई एम डूइंग, आई एम अ गुड डाइवर, आई एम अ गुड स्विमर, एंड थैंक्स टू माय स्विमिंग कोच जिसने मुझे 52 इयर्स में स्विमिंग सिखाया, बच्चों के मम्मी को कैसे सिखाते। एंड आई एम थैंक टू माय कल्चरल ग्रुप, जो सिंधी डांस के लिए मैं जाती हूँ वहाँ पे, दे ऑलवेज इनवाइट मी, सोनल एंड शरुणा मैडम, वेरी हेल्पफुल। मेरे जिंदगी में जितने भी कोरियोग्राफर्स आए, दे आर वेरी हेल्पफुल, एंड आई परफॉर्म स्मॉल शोज, और जो मनी मुझे मिलता है, आई गिव दैट मनी टू द कैंसर पेशेंट के लिए। कभी 5,000 मिल जाता है, कभी कुछ नहीं मिलता है, कभी छोटा सा मॉडलिंग किया तो मिल जाता है 4,000, तो उनको किसी को जो जरूरतमंद है उसको दे। आई एम नॉट यूजिंग दैट मनी, ये मेरा एक्टिविटीज है। अभी ऑनलाइन मेरे सब क्लासेस चालू होते हैं। नाउ रिसेंटली आई स्टार्टेड, अभी टुमारो इज माय फर्स्ट क्लास, विभा रानी के पास, शी इज एक्टर, उनके पास ऑनलाइन में सीख रही हूँ सोलो एक्टिंग, ओनली एक्सप्रेशन, नो डायलॉग्स एंड ऑल। तो मैंने 12 क्लास का पैसा भर दिया है, एंड शी इज गोइंग टू टीच मी दैट। ये ज्यादा मैं एक्टिविटीज आई एम डूइंग, एंजॉयिंग माय लाइफ। स्विमिंग तो है मेरा रोज का, अभी सब बंद है। आई लर्न डाइविंग ऑल्सो, जोरदार डाइविंग वाइविंग करती हूँ। क्या नहीं किया लाइफ में, थोड़ा कुछ मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, बिकॉज ऑफ माई रिस्ट इज लॉक। आई वॉन्ट टू टेल एवरीवन दिस पनिशमेंट आई गॉट, व्हाटएवर इट मे बी, लेकिन तो भी मैं डांस एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग आई डू विथ माय हैंड्स। माय टीचर टीचेस मी व्हाट आर द ट्रिक्स यू हैव टू।
So what do you mean by your wrists are locked? Can you explain that a little bit?
Yeah, मैं मेरे डॉक्टर के पास गई थी ट्रीटमेंट करने के लिए। She has given me, I don't want to tell doctor's name, she has given me wrong medicine. उससे मेरा लॉक हो गया हाथ, वंस लॉक हो गया और एक फिंगर मेरा फोल्ड हो गया है। सो आई वेंट टू डॉक्टर, पूछा उनसे, बोलती है उसमें स्प्लिंट लगाओ, ठीक हो जाएगा, ये ठीक हो जाएगा। देन माय हस्बैंड से फॉरगेट दिस डॉक्टर, डोंट वांट टू, तेरा हाथ खराब कर दिया, क्या करेगी जिंदगी में। नाउ आई थॉट, अभी मैं डांस कर तो हाथ दिखता है, आई एम गोइंग टू वेयर माय ग्लोव्स ऑन माय हैंड्स, शाइनिंग वाला ग्लोव्स पहन के डांस करने में। इट्स अ साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ मेडिसिन, आई एम नॉट ब्लेमिंग, वो मेरा नसीब था, ऐसा हो गया। यू नो, समटाइम यू गेट गुड डॉक्टर, समटाइम यू गेट बैड डॉक्टर, लक होता है ना। लेकिन थैंक गॉड मेरा हाथ बचा हुआ है, यू नो, एटलीस्ट आई कैन डू माय वर्क विद दिस, यू नो, राइटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग आई कैन डू। और आई वेंट टू माय फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, उसने बोला पूरा बोन आपका फ्यूज हो गया, सो नो नीड टू डूइंग ऑपरेशन, इफ यू वांट टू डू वी डू द ऑपरेशन, बट डोंट डू दिस एज, व्हाई वांट टू डू, और तुम्हारा हाथ का तो कुछ है नहीं जाओ ज्यादा ये करने के लिए, सो बेटर डोंट डू। अभी मूवमेंट हो रहा है, होने दो, एंड दिस विल रिमेन एज इट इज, आगे बढ़ेगा नहीं बट ऐसे ही रहेगा। So why to do operation? And I don't want to go to hospital now again for the surgery and all. Enough.
Okay.
These are the activities I'm doing. Even who want to join with me, they can also join for the dance and all. We can make a group by survivors.
Great,
you know,
great.
I can take them with me. We can make a group, you know, survivor group. और हम ट्रॉफी लेके आएंगे. And it's my challenge.
Done. I think with trophy, I'm getting reminded of a recognition that you got, but you keep forgetting that recognition. I don't know why, because that has stuck with me from the moment you have told. You've gotten a Iron Lady.
Oh my God! You always remind me. बोलती है ना, कैंसर के बाद थोड़ा भूल जाते हैं. It is real. थोड़ा कुछ भूलना हो जाता है. Okay, 2019. I just going through the Facebook and all, तो ब्यूटी पेजेंट दिखाई दिया मुझे. I said just apply, चलो. मैं तो इतनी ब्यूटीफुल है नहीं, मैं इनर ब्यूटी हूँ, but my skin is not fair. I'm not a, भगवान ने मुझे इतनी फुर्सत से तो नहीं बनाया. I know that. I have a quality, but just apply. तो मिसेस श्रीवास्तव जी का मुझे फोन आया, ब्यूटी पेजेंट फॉर्मर. She said, Anjali, I said, I'm a cancer survivor. Can I take a part? तो yeah, you can. और मैंने बोला मेरा पीठ जला हुआ है पूरा, my back is burned, you know, so I'm not wearing sari. So it's okay, no problem, you can show the people that you are burned, you know. उससे मुझे इतना पॉजिटिविटी बोला, don't worry. मैंने बोला मेरा ध्यान रखेंगे ना वहाँ पे. So yeah, don't worry, we will take care of you. और मैं दिल्ली गई, 3 दिन का ब्यूटी पेजेंट था। थोड़ा डर तो लगा, कंपटीशन है, एंडिंग है, प्लेन में बैठी तो मेरे हस्बैंड को बोल रही मैं जीतूंगी कि नहीं, मैं जीतूंगी कि नहीं। बोला अरे तू पॉजिटिव है। एंड वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड टोल्ड मी, मेरे ऊपर रहती है, उसने बोला अंजलि यू विल गेट द क्राउन। मैंने बोला तू कैसे बोल रही है? बोलती मैं बोलती हूँ तेरे को मिलेगा, तू कितनी पॉजिटिव है, तू फटाफट बोलती है, तुझे कोई ये नहीं होता है, तू झूठ नहीं बोलती है। एंड जब मेरा नाम अनाउंस किया, मिसेस इंडिया आयरन लेडी गोज टू अंजलि, मैं 2 मिनट ऐसे खड़ी रही, अंजलि गडोया वेयर इज शी, तो मैं साइड में थी, तो मैं आई तो सडनली मेरे को ना एकदम खुशी की आंसू आ गए, यू नो, fulfill my dream. Thank you to Srivastav ji, Mrs. Srivastav ji, who gave me a great opportunity, and I fought for the cancer people survivors. ये उनके लिए मैं represent की थी. I was only the cancer survivor. बाकी सब normal वाले थे. What a fashion! वो ये मैंने भी छोटा छोटा फ्रॉक पहना. Everything I done, catwalk, heels. और आके तक मेरी सैंडल चोरी हो गई. पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. 4-4 इंच की heel, catwalk चलना. Everything I learned and I went. I polished myself and then लेके आई। तो पहला मैसेज मैंने शैलेश मिश्रा जी को किया, हु इज रनिंग एनजीओ। ही इज अ गुड सर ऑफ माइंड, बहुत अच्छा इंसान है। तो उन्होंने फेसबुक में डाला आर अंजलि गडोया अ सर्वाइवर गॉट द क्राउन, तो पूरे फेसबुक में पढ़ा। तो सब बोले मुझे पहला मैसेज क्यों नहीं? मैंने बोला अरे यार वहाँ नेटवर्क नहीं मिल रहा था। माय हस्बैंड वाज देयर, ही हैड कम विद मी एवरीवेयर एंड आई एंजॉयड द जर्नी। सो आई गॉट द शैश एंड क्राउन मिसेस इंडिया। आई
वाओ।
तो हमेशा भूल जाती हूँ, पता नहीं सर, पता नहीं आप ही मुझे याद कराते क्योंकि मैं वो पिक्चर को भूल चुकी हूँ और एक्टिविटी में आगे आगे बढ़ रही हूँ ना।
I know, but yeah, these are some.
प्राउड नहीं है, अगर प्राउड होता मुझे याद होता था ना, पहले मैं वही बोलती थी।
That is true. Yeah. But I want to highlight one factor here which you mentioned, like your back was burnt. It was burnt because of radiation marks?
No radiation for me, nahi.
Then why was
I
it
used to
burnt?
go for massage to Chandigarh or some hospital, body massage के लिए जाती थी। तो उन लोग मुझे पेट वजन कम करने के लिए, that is long back.
Okay.
तो मुझे पेट के ऊपर सुलाते थे, तो heat. Later on realize जल गई करके पीछे।
Okay. So but you turned everything into your strength.
Yeah.
And you somehow got the lady, Mrs. India, Iron Lady, Anjali Gadoya. So good. One last question I have. After that, I will open the discussion to all the participants that have joined in. Any messages that you want to give to all those people who are listening to us, or even in future if we are going to take a snippet of it and share it somewhere? What is that one message you would give to all the viewers? Be it cancer survivors, be it their caregivers, be it people like me who are working for people who is having cancer, any volunteers of cancer. What is that one message which you would like to give?
I just want to give the message. The person who's suffering from cancer, the main motto मेरा वो है, happiness, positive, that is okay. There are many people those who are saying multi-storied building, right? बड़ा flats है उनके, 4-room kitchens है and everything. The time was very good, past times. And the present time, if they are suffering from cancer, people asking the question, first question is what? She has 3 bedroom, yaar. She's staying in tower, yaar. Why she need money? This is wrong. You should understand the time, you know, what situation is going. Why they are demanding money? Because they don't have fund. अभी मेरा भी फ्लैट बहुत बड़ा है. I have white ration card. When I was suffering, मुझे भी फंड का प्रॉब्लम आया था. I went to सलमान खान का, उसमें my husband went there. Many places he went. They asked, आपका राशन कार्ड कौन सा है? My husband said white. आप कहाँ रहते हो? विलापाला वेस्ट. कौन सा फ्लोर पे रहते हो? He said everything. Said आपको नहीं मिलेगा. और जो आदमी सुन रहा था बाजू में, he called him और उसको 2,000 रुपया मेरे हस्बैंड के हाथ में दिया कि मुझे आपका दुख देखा नहीं गया, मैं आपको 2,000 देता। वो 2,000 हमारे लिए 2 लाख से जैसा था वो टाइम पे। What I want to give message to people, suppose फंड का किधर किसी को नहीं मिल रहा है, तो we are the group, we can share individual money for the patient जिसको बहुत तकलीफ है, and we can give up 50% of positivity to the patient, क्योंकि पेशेंट भी सोचता है ना पैसा कहाँ से आएगा, और ट्रीटमेंट को जाते नहीं है। And all NGOs are not paying to all everyone because of the big flat and big room and big buildings. मेरे husband का भी business down था टाइम पे, totally down it was. So we were in that situation. I just want to tell the message, whether you are survivor or caregiver, whoever may be, थोड़ा contribution भी होता है ना. अभी मेरे पास एक patient आया है yesterday, गहना की मम्मी, I don't know, Madhuri ji, हाँ, Madhuri ji suffering from cancer, breast cancer. She is staying in Pedder Road. Now, why people are asking me why she's staying in Pedder Road, so we can't help you out? That is nonsense, yaar. She is staying wherever she's staying. You go and inquire there, na. She need money. She's a one parent. She has a lot of issues. She's the only daughter. मेरा कहना सबसे है, थोड़ा करके we can also help her, you know. तो उसमें से उसका कीमो खत्म हो गया. Only the radiation is left. So you, I, all the viewers, patients, caregivers, सब मिलके किसी का problem solve कर सकते हैं. I'm not telling email 1 lakh rupees. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. थोड़ा, you know, small amounts. उससे इंसान एक patient हमारा बच जाता है. You can bring the smile on their face, you know. And later now I will take her with me for the happiness. This is my one message. And be positive. Don't think मुझे cancer है बहुत बड़ी बीमारी. Nothing. Proper doctor, proper food, proper exercise. And best is do exercise. Shake your body, full body. See, if you not shake your body, you get the glands. Remember that. This is my message to all the viewers and all my friends.
Lovely. Thank you, Anjali ji, for sharing your valuable, amazing life story with us today here. I would like to open the floor one by one. If anybody wants to speak with Anjali ji, please unmute your mic, show your video, and please speak with Anjali ji. Whoever wants to share. One by one. Please show your video.
Could I speak? Harish, could I speak in? Come in?
Yes, Falguni ji.
Hey, hi Anjali, how are you?
Hi, Anjali, how are you?
I'm great, darling. I'm so happy to see you. It's a happy Mother's Day, Anjali.
Thank you, darling.
All my friends there.
Oh my God, love you.
I too love you a lot. What would I say about you, yaar? Whatever the mind have perceived, you have achieved it. Your entire universe has changed because of your thought process. And you have influenced nature. You have really woven a very good thread of truth through your consciousness. You have always been simple, yaar. Simple living and high thinking and so much intuitions every time when I come up with something to you.
I know.
You have been a lovely friend. Yeah. The time both of you came in, I wanted to talk, but I was struggling with my mutings and videos and all that, so I couldn't participate there. It's phenomenal to see you there where you are. Yeah. From where we have met and where you have achieved.
खुशी के आंसू तू आई.
Love you so much. Love you. Yeah. I want to give others also other participants also a chance, so I do go with, but all the wishes.
Sure, darling. Thank you so much. Love you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Falguni ji, for those encouragement. And
Harish, she has really been. She has always been a very so intuitive for everything, as if she's got a sixth sense there after going through this phase of life. With little things into my life, she's always been strong, standing for all the support she's given me. Yeah?
Thank you, darling. Thank you. You are always welcome. Always, my heart is open for you. Always.
I know that you have a big heart. Yeah, Anjali. Thanks. Bye.
Bye, darling. Take care.
I'm there throughout, yes. Yeah, but I'll be listening to you.
Of course, yeah.
I think our next participant is going to join in. Love Kumar, do you want to say something?
Yes, sure, sir.
Yeah, please show your video, sir.
My wife wants to talk to Anjali, sir.
Yeah, please. Go ahead.
I am Kavita too.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, darling. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Fine.
Good.
I have recently operated.
She has been recently diagnosed for this breast cancer.
Okay.
and has undergone mastectomy.
Okay.
Surgery and all these things.
No.
She's feeling very encouraged to listen to you, ma'am. Thank you very much for this.
Be positive. Nothing will happen to you. I have gone through this. Eat good food, think good things, watch TV, old movies, and do all makeup. Don't put bandana. Do eyebrows, lipsticks, big earrings, nice dresses, and be ready and sit in the first room. Watch TV. Whatever you like, do it. Be positive. Order your husband. I want this. This
Ma'am,
is the
she
time
herself-
you're getting chance.
She herself is a government officer. She's serving with LIC.
Good. Don't worry, everything will be fine. You have to be positive and good food. And don't eat anything cold. Cold drink, avoid. Only eat fresh juices you can have. And all hot food, chilies, बंद कर दो, masalas बंद कर दो. थोड़ा दिन के लिए, for few days. Then normal. Then do all activities, whatever you like, like me. Come and join with me. Where do you stay?
We are residing in Punjab, ma'am.
Oh, I'm in Mumbai. Anyway, whenever you come to Mumbai, come.
Still, we can join you, ma'am. No issue.
Sure. I'm
We
very
will
positive. I
definitely
love the
visit
people. Mwah.
Thank you very much.
This looks I love.
Thank you very
You
much.
can go through my Facebook. You can see this all the looks. I used to hide, bandana, but I used to do all makeup. Please use your lipsticks, big earrings, bangles, nice dress. Enjoy your life. This moment will not come back. We are going to achieve,
Yeah.
We are going to ahead. This is a second life. We are going to use. Getting second life. Enjoy each moment. Cancer is nothing. Sometimes you get fever, sometimes you get pneumonia. This is also one part of the disease, it's a small disease. Only you have to be positive. And I'm sure we'll come out with a good makeup next time when you're calling me. I'll give you my personal number. Hey, Anjali, I bought this ring here. Anjali, I'll get for you. Don't worry if you want. And different kind of bandanas. See, because of this, I have a long hair. But this is an onco ka, so I put like this, bandana style mein aayi hu thoda. The people encourage hoga. Don't worry, dear. My wishes with you. Join me in the Facebook also. I will motivate
Sure.
you. Don't worry. What's your age?
Hello.
52, ma'am.
Don't worry. You're very young.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Enjoy. All the best and take care.
Anjali.
Next time enjoying and send me some video dancing and jumping.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure, definitely.
Yeah.
So Kavita ji, please get in touch with me. I'll
Hello.
connect you to Anjali ji. Just drop in a mail to me at harish@onco.com. I will connect you to Anjali ji. Okay, Kavita ji.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think somebody else
Hello.
is there. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi ji.
Hello.
Hello, Anjali ma'am.
Hi. How are you?
मैम आई एम फाइन एंड बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे आपसे बात करके और बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम.
You're cute. I love you. You are looking so beautiful. You are looking so beautiful.
Before, what's your good name, sir?
Hey, what happened?
Sorry.
Beautiful lady, no crying, no crying. Tears are not for us. Tears are not for us. Remember, tears are not for us. We just want to laugh and enjoy. This is a journey. You are not going to get back this. Enjoy each moment. No tears, darling. You don't make me cry. Please.
Yes, ma'am.
No tears. Love you. Love you, dear. See, this is the moment. You are going to enjoy each. You want to ask me anything? Ask, please ask. Come on.
Love you, ma'am. Love you too, ma'am.
Love you,
मैम
love you.
मुझे मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही है साफ आपकी.
वॉइस क्रैक हो रही है आपकी.
मैम जी मैम. हेलो.
हाँ बोलिए.
हेलो.
हाँ बोलिए.
आपको डायग्नोसिस कब हुआ था मैम?
हरीश जी की आवाज वॉइस क्रैक हो रही है.
मैम
हेलो.
Hello.
हेलो.
crack.
आप आप एक काम कीजिए, आप एक मैसेज डालिए, क्योंकि आपकी आवाज क्रैक हो रही है। विथ योर नेम आप एक मैसेज डालिए, मैं अंजलि जी को कम्युनिकेट करता हूँ, क्योंकि आपकी आवाज क्रैक हो रही है, हम दोनों को सुनाई नहीं दे रही। हाँ, I think next person, Sukhjeet Kaur, is there with us. Sukhjeet Kaur, yes, please unmute your mic and show us your video, and please talk to Anjali ji.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi Sukhjeet ji, how are you?
बस फाइन मैम,
बोलिए।
आप बताओ कैसे हो?
बस अच्छी हूँ, मस्त हूँ, बढ़िया हूँ। आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, खुशी हो रही है
मैम। हाँ जी, मेरे को भी आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई, आपकी बातें सुनकर, क्योंकि आप बहुत मोटिवेटेड हैं। एक्चुअली मेरी एज अभी 37 है और मेरे को ब्रेस्ट कैंसर है।
ओके।
यस, आई हैव डन माय कीमोथेरेपी एंड अंडर माय रेडियोथेरेपी। तो बच्चे अभी बहुत छोटे हैं, थोड़ी सी मन में है कि अभी बच्चे छोटे हैं, एज कम है, क्या आज रिकवरी हो पाएगी कि नहीं हो पाएगी, कैसा चलेगा, थोड़े से डाउट्स हैं मन में। तो मैंने सोचा कि आपसे थोड़ी मोटिवेशन ले लूं।
कोई बात नहीं, आपका कीमो हो चुका है कंप्लीट?
जी कीमो, जी कीमो कंप्लीट
हो गया
जी, कल कंप्लीट हुआ मेरा कीमो।
कंप्लीट हो गया ना? नाउ नथिंग, योर हेयर इज आल्सो ग्रोन अप, यू आर लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। कोई बात नहीं है, यू आर वेरी यंग, यू कैन फाइट विद द पीपल, विद द डिजीज। हो गया खत्म, हमारी बीमारी खत्म हो चुकी है।
ओके मैम।
अभी खाली आपको न्यूट्रिशन पे ध्यान देना है, थोड़े बहुत आपको पोर्ट भी होगा ना, यू मस्ट बी हैविंग पोर्ट।
हाँ जी,
पोर्ट लगाया हुआ आपको? पोर्ट
आपकी आवाज है ना जो वो पूरी क्लियर नहीं है।
आपको कोई मशीन लगाया हुआ है क्या चेस्ट के पास?
नहीं मैम, कोई मशीन नहीं है, मैंने इसे आर्म से ले ली थी सभी कीमोथेरेपी, मेरी एक बाजू से हो गई थी, कोई मशीन नहीं है मेरी लगी।
अच्छा, तो ब्रेस्ट निकाला आपका? ऑपरेशन हो चुका ना?
ब्रेस्ट की सर्जरी हो चुकी, पहले ब्रेस्ट की सर्जरी हुई थी, उसके बाद कीमो हुआ था, क्योंकि मेरे ब्रेस्ट और अंडर आर्म तक ही पहुंचा था अभी तक, किसी बॉडी पार्ट में स्प्रेड नहीं हुआ था किसी और में।
अभी आपका
इमीडिएट
अभी खत्म हो रहा है?
कीमो कल कंप्लीट हुआ मेरा, लास्ट कल था।
तो आपका जो साइड का ब्रेस्ट निकाला हुआ ना, वो हाथ को नीचे नहीं रखना, लटका के नहीं रखना, ऊंचा रखा करो।
ओके, लेफ्ट साइड का हुआ है, ठीक है।
हाथ को जरा ऊपर रखा करो व्हेन यू आर वॉकिंग एंड ऑल। आई यूज्ड टू वॉक लाइक दिस, मैं ऐसा चलती।
ओके,
बहुत कम नहीं हाथ रखती थी, क्योंकि हाथ में सूजन आ जाती है, वो ध्यान रखना एक। और आप खाने पीने में ध्यान रखिए, आप पॉजिटिव रहिए, थोड़ा बहुत एक्सरसाइज आपको जो बताया था ना, वो एक्सरसाइज कीजिए।
ओके, खाने पीने के लिए मैम क्या है? वैसे तो मैं न्यूट्री डाइट ले रही हूँ, मुझे किसी ने, वैसे मैं नेट पे सर्च किया था कि शुगर अवॉइड करनी चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए।
शुगर, ब्रेड और मसाले, दिस ऑल थिंग। अब बीमार इंसान, मूंग होती है, लापसी बना के खाइए, रोटी भाजी खाइए, ये सब अच्छा। मसाला कम कर दीजिए, शुगर अवॉइड कीजिए।
ओके।
बाहर का खाना तो बिल्कुल बंद, और गर्म खाना खाइए।
ओके, कोल्ड चीजें अवॉइड करो।
एंड कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स को छोड़ दीजिए, कोई भी कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स नहीं लेना आपको।
ओके, ठीक है।
कोई भी घर में
जैसे मैं थोड़ा बहुत शेक ले लेती हूँ, एप्पल शेक हुआ, वो तो इतना ज्यादा दूध भी ज्यादा ठंडा नहीं होता, वो तो चल सकता है ना?
घर में बनाते हैं ना आप?
हाँ जी, घर में बाहर का कुछ नहीं लेती मैम, बाहर का कुछ नहीं खाती।
हाँ, घर का नहीं लेना बिल्कुल। बस इतना चीज आप ध्यान रखोगे एंड पॉजिटिव रहो। बच्चे छोटे हैं, सब आपके साथ ही बड़े होंगे, डोंट वरी, सब ठीक हो जाएगा। और जो आपको अच्छा लगता है ना, किताब पढ़िए, टीवी देखिए, गाना गाइए, जो आपका पैशन वो इनको पूरा कीजिए।
ठीक है मैम।
अगर अभी नहीं कर सकते हो, 1 महीने के बाद ही ज्वाइन।
हाँ, अभी थोड़ी वीकनेस है ना कीमो की वजह से, थोड़ा मूड स्विंग्स भी होते हैं, इसीलिए थोड़ा बैड फील हो रहा है।
विल बी फाइन, आपको कुछ नहीं होगा, यू बी फाइन। आप मेरे से बात करिए 1 साल के बाद, अच्छी तरह बात करोगे, अंजलि मैं ठीक हो गई, देखो मेरे बाल भी लंबे हो गए, कम लाइक दैट।
आपका नंबर, आपका पर्सनल नंबर मिल सकता है?
हरीश से ले सकते हैं, आप दे देंगे आप।
ओके,
आई विल कनेक्ट यू। आप मुझे सिर्फ एक मेल डाल दीजिए, harish@onco.com।
अभी मेल डाल दूं?
हाँ, आप डाल दीजिए, मैं आपको कनेक्ट कर दूंगा। हाँ, मैं चैट बॉक्स में अपना मेल डाल रहा हूँ फॉर एनीबडी टू गेट इन टच विथ मी।
ओके,
harish@onco.com so that I can connect you to Anjali.
Yeah, ma'am, take care, huh? Be safe and take care. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Yeah, bye dear. Love you.
Okay, bye.
लेकिन रहना आप।
ठीक है जी, ठीक है सर, ओके।
हाँ जी. I think Kashmira Swain is waiting.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Please show your video also. Yes.
Hello Anjali,
Hi,
कैसे हो?
Kashmira. Yeah, fine, darling. How are you? Nice to see you.
Yeah, good to see you. And it is always good to see you. Like अंजलि से अभी मतलब मेरी ज्यादा फ्रेंडशिप हुई है, ये 2020 स्टार्ट हुआ तब से हमने मतलब मुझे भी उन्होंने बहुत मोटिवेट किया काम करने के लिए। मतलब कुछ मेरी हॉबी थी डांस करने की, जो कि मैंने मतलब बाहर मैंने किसी को शो मतलब नहीं शो करती थी, जबकि मुझे बहुत दिल करता था, और इसने मुझे बहुत मोटिवेट किया। अंजलि ने, वो साथ में रहती है तो अपने ऊपर वो अपना छाप छोड़ देती है कि मतलब एंजॉय करो, हर पल एंजॉय करो, हर मोमेंट लाइफ का। तो वो ऐसी मतलब 7 वो ऐसी है, शायद वो अकेले पता नहीं वो क्या, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है उसे देखूं क्या, मतलब वो अकेले में क्या करती है, पूरा दिन ऐसे डांस करती रहती है क्या।
And
मुझे
you got
बहुत
the
अच्छा
first
लगता
prize.
है।
You got the prize also, right? First time.
Yeah.
पहली बार शोर
Goes
पे
to
लेके
you.
लेके आई।
ऐसे ही सबको मोटिवेट रहा करो।
Yeah, sure,
Keep it
darling.
up, darling.
Yeah, darling. Yeah.
Yeah.
Too, yeah. Bye. Take care.
Take care.
Yeah, bye,
Good
dear.
day.
Love.
Thank you, Kashmira ji, for joining with us. Anybody else? Any next participant who wants to speak with Anjali ji? Oh, Krishna has unmuted. Hello, Krishna. Yes.
Hey, hello everyone. Good morning, Anjali ji.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good.
So I don't have any questions for you, Anjali ji, but I just wanted to redefine the definition of a word today. After seeing you, I've heard a lot about you through Harish. So I'm sure you know the meaning of the word Trinity, which has been there for 1,000,000 years. That talks about the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, right? So
Right.
today I just have a new definition for it, for you specifically, which says Trinity actually means a powerful mother, a powerful woman, and a powerful human being. And you signify that. Thank you very much.
Thank you, dear. God bless you. I'm so happy, Thank you, dear. Love you.
You too.
All right. Beautiful. Anybody else is joining in? Amresh, you want to say something?
Well, it's always a pleasure having you with us, Anjali ji.
Hi, darling. How are you?
I'm all good, enjoying the quarantine, enjoying the lockdown.
I know.
And I'm sure you are also making the most out of this time. So, Anjali ji, I just wanted 2 things because first, since you are a person who loves challenges, so if you can provide all of us and give us a positive challenge that we can strive towards during this time, that would be awesome. And second, since you are someone who is so very extremely fit, any tips and advice for us to remain fit while we are stuck at home?
Yeah.
Not stuck at home, safe at home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can give you one challenge to everyone. I don't know whether you can do or not. Make a video, small video. Tell about something about the coronavirus. How you spend your time, especially the patients, जो कैंसर पेशेंट्स है, वो मैं 2-3 दिन से बात कर चुकी अभी. अपना वीडियो बनाओ और कुछ अपना फेस, some romantic face, the pout and all, जो fashion, what they can't do, but they can do. उन्होंने सोचा नहीं होगा. ऐसा 1 मिनट का वीडियो करके भेजो. Everyone, even the boys, girls, whoever is there, हरीश को भेजो. फिर हम उसका एक फिल्म बना देंगे अपने अपने घर से, उस पर एडिट करके. ये हमारा लॉकडाउन में हमने ये किया था. स्पेशली द पेशेंट जो ये है, उनको तो मैं यही बोलूंगी, फुल मेकअप विद द एसेसरीज एंड ऑल, नो बंडानास, इफ यू वांट यू कैन वेयर. और ऐसा बताओ, वी आर समथिंग, वी आर फाइटर्स. और जो फिट है उनको मैं यही कहूंगी, फिट रहने के लिए आपके जो मेंबर्स भी जो घर पे है उनको भी फिट रखो. यू नो समटाइम मदर सेज नहीं मुझे एक्सरसाइज नहीं करनी है, मुझे ये नहीं, मैं सो ही रहूंगी, मैं यही करूंगी. बट फिट पर्सन कैन एडवाइज ऑलवेज योर फैमिली कि ऐसा करो वैसा करो. एंड प्ले गेम्स, फैमिली गेम्स, इंडोर गेम्स, मेंटली प्रिपेयर रहो कुछ करने, अंताक्षरी खेलो, मेनी थिंग्स, एक्टिविटीज यू कैन डू दैट. और मेरा चैलेंज यही है, अपना एक क्लिप बना बना के हर्ष को भेजो एंड विल जॉइन इट, एंड हम लोग दिखेंगे लॉकडाउन में हमने सबने क्या किया. एंड आई नो एवरीबॉडी कैन डू दैट, they can do.
Thank you so much, Anjali ji. Looking forward to meeting you once again. Whenever that time comes, looking forward to that.
Sure. Yeah?
Okay. Take care, ji.
Yeah. Bye, dear. Take care.
Bye.
Thanks, Amresh. So next up, I wanted Catherine. Are you there? Hello. Okay. Anybody else wants to share something or ask something to Anjali ji? This is the time. Please do. No? Rashi, you want to say something to Anjali?
Yeah. Hi, Anjali.
Hi, Rashi.
Thank you so much for sharing your story. It was one of the most positive things that I've heard in the last 2 months. It has already elevated my spirits, and I feel like I've learned so much from you. Although I've never met you, I just heard your story the last 1 hour, uplifted my spirits, and kudos to you, Anjali ji. Kudos to you. It's so easy, like it's easier said than done, but the journey that anyone who undergoes treatment with cancer has is extremely painful. And the positivity of your spirits that you show, not just now as a survivor, but you showed when you were actually going through that journey, is, I'm pretty sure, very inspiring for every cancer patient who is hearing you today and who has ever met you. And I'm so glad that we got an opportunity to connect with you and to bring so many patients to connect with you through this very humble medium. And my hope is that a lot of people who have listened to you today will go back feeling very positive, and hopefully this is going to have great consequences for them, and they'll come out of it very, very soon. So thank you so much, ma'am, for taking out the time, and you're a wonderful human being.
Salute you.
Same here. Salute you, Anjali ji.
Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you, Rashi, for saying that. With that, if anybody else wants to share something, please do share, or else we will wind up today's session with that. And yes, please stay tuned, because you might have seen there are a couple of survivors with us who have joined in, who will be our next featured guests for the next upcoming Talk Your Heart Out. So please stay tuned. There will be more Talk Your Heart Outs to come, and I would just like a surprise for you, Anjali ji, because the online Talk Your Heart Out started with a person, and I would like to ask Jason to conclude this by saying something to Anjali. Your chocolate boy.
Yes, my chocolate boy. Yes.
Hi, Anjali.
Hi, my chocolate boy. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I hope you're doing well. And it's so nice to hear your full story. I'm like super inspired. Just listening to you, and I feel that you should, whoever cancer survivors that you come across, no, they will be motivated, and they'll beat the disease just by talking to you. That's what I really believe, and you're so awesome. I just can't. I don't have the words to express it. You're just an amazing person. An Iron Lady. In real life, you don't even need that award. First of all, you are an Iron Lady. That's super amazing. I'm so happy to have got to meet you. This
Thank you, darling. Thank
virtual
you.
hug.
Oh, yeah. Love
Okay.
you, my chocolate boy.
Love
I
you
kept
too.
you my chocolate boy.
That's okay. Yeah, I like the name. I like chocolate. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
Take care.
Yeah, you too. You too.
Yeah, sure.
I was talking about Catherine. She has come again, but Catherine, do you want to share something with our survivor here? Wait a second. Share now.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, darling. How are you?
I'm good. It's so good to hear from you. I'm so sorry. I was having some issues with my internet connection up here in Alaska, so I was kind of in and out of the meeting. But I thought your story was so inspiring, and you're just an amazing woman all around. I hope I can, take that experience, strength, and hope that you shared with us, and use it to my recovery and my healing as well. You're amazing, and I hope I get to know you better and hear more from you.
Thank you so much, darling. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
Love you, darling. Love you.
Harish, you're on mute.
Yeah, so sorry. So Anjali ji, with that, I think we will come to an end to your this Talk Your Heart Out, because I just wanted it to end with the two survivors giving a very positive closing note to a survivor who shared the entire journey with you. Oh, you want to say something? Please.
Yeah.
You don't raise your hand. You just share.
I just want to show my all survivors and caregivers who are present. See, I made a tattoo.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yes.
Everybody can see, I think. This is called cancer free.
Okay.
This is called cancer free. As I'm very naughty lady. Even I was a naughty girl. So after my removing the pot, I went to my studio with my kids and said, "Mujhe kuch banana hai." What do you want to make? I say, cancer ke related. Where do you want to do? Then I say, where the people can see my hand if I wear the sleeveless. So I said, do it here. Without asking my husband, I went there with my kids. And my doctor shouted me, why you have done this? Next time if you do anything, I'm going to kick you like anything. I say, okay. And I'm proud of it. I'm a cancer-free lady. So this symbol shows you are cancer-free. That is one risk I have taken. So painful it was. Lekin theek hai. I can show my people. When I go out, everybody keep on looking. I say, what you are looking? ये क्या बता रहा है? I say, चिड़िया उड़ रही है झाड़ में से. Cancer भाग गया. This is cancer free. So this is, you have to do. जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है यार. खुश रहने के लिए. And I tell my all survivors, be happy, be positive. Don't go for the negative things. And immunity system को घर पे बढ़ाओ, घर का खाना खाओ. And whoever want to make a video, please video बना के भेजो. We'll make a small short film.
Lovely. That is Anjali ji's message. And I have a request to everyone. Kindly switch on the video, because we are going to take our mandatory group photo, because these days social distancing is a norm, but group photo is also a norm. So kindly switch on all the videos, and we will make a small heart sign next to our heart. So it shows us that we are talking our heart out on this joyous occasion of Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everyone as well. Please, all of you, please switch on your video Alden, Amresh, Bharat, Dr. Kaliban, Jason, Faizul,
Harish, I
Falguni.
think you have to unmute the video because I'm trying to start it. The host has stopped it.
Okay, just a second. I'll just ask to start video.
Yeah.
Ask to start video. Please.
Got it.
Please come. Ask to start video. Yes. Wow, it is so beautiful to see all of you. Yes. Amresh. Yes.
Video.
Falguni
Can you
ji.
start my video, please? Harish?
Yes. Falguni ji, yes. Just a second.
Yeah.
I'm just going on the list one by one.
Okay. So I'll wait.
This is very tricky. Yes. In the meantime, please do practice making the heart. because if you are making the heart, everyone can see, and that will create a joy. And you never know when I will be clicking the photo. So please practice.
Heart bana.
मैं?
No. Kashmira, I'm telling Kashmira.
Okay.
Harish, I am not able to.
Oh, who is this?
That's Falguni Parekh.
Falguni का नहीं आ रहा वीडियो में.
Just a second. Falguni. हाँ. Is it coming
Have
now?
you unlocked me?
Is it coming now? Yeah, it did.
Yes.
So it is not that I do this on purpose, because when Anjali ji is sharing, I just switch off the video so that there is no disturbance while she is sharing. But good, we have almost everyone. Yes, we are good to go. So hearts ready? Don't cover your face like this. Anybody who is covering your face like this, heart. Yay! I can't do the heart because I have to click the photo. Great. Thank you so much for joining in. Please stay tuned. Watch out for this Talk Your Heart Out episode number 3. It is going to come out soon with a special survivor. Yet again, I hope to see you all. I see there are a lot of repetitors from last time. It is a pleasure having you all here. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
just
everyone.
say hi, bye, bye.
Hi, bye, everyone.
Bye.
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 Sorry for being late.
Take care.